Hey guys, welcome back to Kat's Kitchen. I just wanted to put out a short video for you guys to just remind you and encourage you about meal prepping for the week. I have a new video, short video here about showing you what I made for this week. So I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see what we just made. And I know you guys can do it. There's a lot of healthy options out there that you can pre-make. And if you're gluten-free like I am, there's considerable options for you as well, especially nowadays. So let me show you what I made this week. All right, everybody, so this would be good for gluten-free, keto, or low carb, whatever kind of diet you're going for, or if you're just trying to get some good, good new healthy recipes and advice, just a little bit of inspiration for you. Here are some of our garden vegetables, some of our Roma tomatoes from the garden. I have my cucumbers underneath it, and then just some bell peppers. I always like to chop that up to have it ready for salads or making veggie eggs. And here we have quinoa. I kind of smoothed it down a little bit. Sorry about my ice maker in the background there, but just to kind of fit it in here. I'm gonna be making salads with this. You'll see I already prepped 2 salads for Mark on the left-hand side. I'll show you. But I went to a restaurant recently and it was really tasty. It was a Greek quinoa chicken salad. You can put Kalamata olives in it, any kind of dressing you want. Like I said, I'll show you what we did with his whenever we get over there. And then I just chopped up, I made some chicken breasts. I had a little bit of a rotisserie chicken left over. So like I said, I usually buy 2 at a time for the month because I only go grocery shopping once in a month. I will put one in the fridge and one in the freezer, and then usually bi-weekly. It usually takes me a good week and a half, 2 weeks to go through one, and then that second week I'll pull out the other one from the freezer and then just use it the same for my salads. And then I made a bunch of broccoli. I had a leftover bag of broccoli fresh broccoli in the refrigerator from Sam's Club. We made that for sides. And then I had some ground turkey and ground chicken, so I made little meatballs out of them. I also have some gravy to use up, so we'll have that with some gravy, and I can either make a baked potato with it, with the broccoli, or we can just do very low carb and maybe do a little quinoa or just some veggies with this. These are the 2 chicken quinoa salads that I made. I did put a little salt and pepper and olive oil in there just to mix it up for Mark. This is cucumber, tomato, bell pepper, quinoa, chicken, and like I said, olive oil and salt and pepper. And then I have a little bit of dressing here for him on the side. And then I hard boiled 8 eggs. I tried putting them in a cold water bath right after they came out to help with the peeling, and it still gave me issues. So if you guys have any tips on how to easily peel your hard-boiled eggs, please let me know in the comments. But guys, thank you so much for watching. This was just a little overview of what we made this week for some partial lunches and dinners. And for the other lunches for him, I did pull out a freezer meal. I had a freezer meal of shells with meat sauce. So these are just going to be the other 2 days that he needs, and that'll round out the week for him. So thanks guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye, friends.